I don't have a partner, walking these halls where the leather is king. In Ocala, Florida, the sun is a marker for every old stitch and the stories they bring. Soft trim is the skin of a dream that we're chasing, worn out and weathered, just waiting to bloom. In the quiet of morning, the history's racing through every last needle and thread in the room. I don't ever want to feel like the craft is slipping away. Take me to the school I love, where the next ones learn to stay. Signature edition are built for the ages, customized curves in the grain of the high turn, in the leather and flipping the pages on all of the secrets we carry inside. I'm passing the tension, the pull, and the pattern of hands that are steady and eyes that can see that build. In the future is all that should matter, leaving a legacy, setting it free. I don't ever want to feel like the craft is slipping away. Take me to the school I love, where the next ones learn to stay. Next generation in Ocala sun, building the future.